This time we have two equations, x is equal 5 and y is equal 2. In order to solve this problem in very fast way, you're supposed to draw the graph. And we have x-axis, y-axis, and first line has equation x equals 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my line, okay, x equals 5 is parallel to y-axis. Now, let's take a look at the second equation. We have equation y equals 2. So I have 1, 2. Draw line. Please notice that equation y equals 2 simply represents the line which is parallel to x-axis. So, if my x equals 5 is parallel to y and y equals 2 is parallel to x, means these two lines are perpendicular to each other. And this is the solution to the problem. I'm supposed to simply write that line 1 is perpendicular to L2.